Hi everyone. In today's start now the new article is the sawtooth wave generator. Okay. In the yesterday lecture, you see the phase shift oscillator, or in last lecture see the Wien bridge oscillator. Okay. And this today now see the sawtooth wave generator. Okay. In that, unlike triangular wave, sawtooth wave has unequal size and fall time. Okay. Unlike in this triangular waveform, sawtooth type waveform is the triangular waveform. Sawtooth wave has the unequal size and fall time, and that is it may the fall negative many times faster that it rises positively. That means in unlike triangular wave, sawtooth wave has unequal rise and fall time, and that is it may fall negatively many times faster than it rises the positively, as vice versa. That means in that may fall times is positively many times faster than it rises the positively, as vice versa. The sawtooth wave generator can be implemented by slightly modification or modifying the triangular wave generator. Okay, as shown in this figure. So in this article, you see the sawtooth wave generator can be implemented by a slightly modified or modifying the triangular wave generator. So in that consists of triangular wave, and this triangular waveform is modified or slightly modification of gives to the sawtooth type of the wave generation. So see the figure of the sawtooth type of the waveforms. In that the operational amplifier use here two operational amplifiers. First operational amplifier's inverting terminal is connected ground, and non-inverting terminal output of the first op-amps is connected, output is connected to the non-inverting terminal through the variable R3 resistor. Here shows the R3 resistor, as well as the in a non-inverting terminal connected R4 resistor. Okay, these R4 resistor is connected in a second op-amps output, and here shows the second op-amps inverting terminal connected to the output of the first op-amps connected R1 resistor, and in the second op-amps output is connected to the inverting terminal of second op-amp through the C1 capacitor, as well as in that the non-inverting terminal input is connected to the R2 variable resistor, and output gives to the second op-amps output. Okay, here see the first op-amps output is the square wave, and second op-amps output is the sawtooth types of the waveform. So here modify the triangular waveform. Okay, and then gives the sawtooth टाइप ऑफ दी वेवफॉर्म. सिम्पल डायग्राम बघा, काहीही अवघड नाही आहे याच्यामध्ये. टू ओपॅम्प यूज केलेले, त्याच्यामध्ये व्हेरिएबल टू रेजिस्टर यूज केलेले आहेत, R4 आणि R1 रेजिस्टर यूज केले, ॲज वेल एज कॅपॅसिटर C1 हा यूज केलेला आहे. ओके, सो हिअर नॉन इन्व्हर्टिंग इनपुट टर्मिनल ऑफ इंटिग्रेटर is driven by the voltage set between the plus VCC and minus VCC by the R2. Okay, here shows the R2 resistor. This is the variable resistor, has a here non-inverting input terminal. That means the second op-amp's non-inverting input terminal of integrator is driven by the voltage set. Voltage काय set केलं तर driven by the voltage set between the plus VCC and minus VCC by the R2 resistor, and depending on the vibes of the R2 setting, a certain DC level is added in the output of the integrator. Okay, depending on the vibes of the R2, that means the R2 variable resistor set upon the positive between the positive VCC and minus VCC, DC level is added in the output of the integrator, and the output voltage of the integrator decides the effective voltage at point P. Here see the point P in the first op-amps non-inverting terminal, here connected feedback through the R3 variable resistor. Okay, so this point is the P point. Okay, in that the output voltage of the integrator decides the effective voltage at P point, and this added DC level in the output of the integrator. This added DC level in the output of the integrator will affect the duty cycle, of the comparator output, depends on the comparator output. Okay, here shows the output waveforms of the first op-amp. See the triangle. See the square wave. In this square wave, see on time is the small, on time and off time is the large. Then that of the on time. Okay, and output gives to the modify the triangular wave. That means the sawtooth type of the waveform. Okay, so when voltage at the non-inverting input, non-inverting input of the integrator is negative. Okay, non-inverting input of the integrator is negative. The duty cycle is less than the 50% and resulting large rise time than the fall time as shown in the फिगर. ओके, म्हणजे आता जे आपण फिगर बघितली आउटपुट वेवफॉर्म, त्याच्यामध्ये काय आहे तर फेन द व्होल्टेज ॲट द नॉन इन्व्हर्टिंग टर्मिनल इनपुट ऑफ द इंटिग्रेटर. दॅट मीन्स आर टू रेस्टर, जो व्हॅरिएबल आर टू रेस्टर आपण काय करणार आहे, सेट करणार आहे बिटवीन दी प्लस VCC अँड मायनस VCC. तो आपण कसा सेट करणार त्याच्यावरती डिपेंड आहे की फेन द व्होल्टेज ॲट द नॉन इन्व्हर्टिंग इनपुट ऑफ द इंटिग्रेटर इज निगेटिव्ह. जर का ते इंटिग्रेटरचं इनपुट हे निगेटिव्ह असेल तर ड्युटी सायकल इज लेस दॅन द 50%. ड्युटी सायकल ही कशी भेटणार आहे आपल्याला, लेस दॅन द 50% अँड रिझल्टिंग लार्ज राईज टाईम दॅन द फॉल टाईम. ओके, रिझल्टिंग लार्ज राईज टाईम दॅन द फॉल टाईम ॲज शोन इन दिस द फिगर. ऑन द अदर हँड, first hand is the non-inverting terminal inputs of the integrator is the negative. So the duty cycle is less than that of the 50% and resulting large rise time than the fall time. In the second other hand, when voltage at the non-inverting input of the integrator is the positive. नॉन इन्व्हर्टिंग टर्मिनलचं इनपुट हे काय असेल इथं पॉझिटिव्ह असेल, देन द ड्युटी सायकल इज ग्रेटर दॅन द 50%. तेव्हा ड्युटी सायकल ही काय असणार आहे, ग्रेटर दॅन द 50% अँड राईज टाईम इज लेस दॅन द फॉल टाईम. त्यावेळी राईज टाईम हा कसा असणार आहे, लेस दॅन दॅट ऑफ दी fall time. And it is important to note that the frequency of the sawtooth waveform decreases when the voltage at the non-inverting input of the integrator is adjusted towards the plus VCC or minus VCC. Okay, so here important note down the frequency of the sawtooth type of the waveform. sawtooth waveform ची frequency ही कधी decrease होणार आहे तर when the voltage at the non-inverting input terminal of the integrator is adjusted toward the plus VCC or minus VCC. So frequency of sawtooth waveform is the decreases. Okay, that is if wiper is adjusted exactly at center, then voltage at non-inverting input of the integrator is 0 and frequency of the sawtooth wave generator is highest. Okay, so in that is wipes is adjusted. That means the adjusted knob is the adjusted exactly at center. Center means the in a plus VCC and minus VCC center. Then voltage at non-inverting input of the integrator is 0. त्यावेळी त्याचं इनपुट हे काय असणार आहे, 0 असणार आहे. जेव्हा तो आपण ॲरो कुठे ठेवणार आहे, सेंटरला ॲडजस्ट करणार आहे. ओके, अँड फ्रिक्वेन्सी ऑफ द sawtooth wave generator इज हायेस्ट. त्यावेळी त्याची फ्रिक्वेन्सी कशी असणार आहे, हायेस्ट फ्रिक्वेन्सी असणार आहे. when the non-inverting input integrator is the 0. Okay, however the amplitude of the sawtooth wave is independent of the voltage. Okay, in that, however, the amplitude of the sawtooth wave is independent of the voltage setting at the non-inverting input of the integrator. Okay, in that the amplitude of the sawtooth wave is independent of the voltage setting at the non-inverting input of the integrator. Okay, very simple आहे. टू कन्सेप्ट आहेत ह्याच्यामध्ये बघा. हिअर इन दिस डायग्राम, ओके, इन दॅट द मेन पार्ट इज द R2 रेजिस्टर. आपण हा R2 रेजिस्टर काय करणार आहे तर चेंजिंग बिटवीन दी प्लस VCC अँड मायनस VCC त्या दोन्हीच्या मध्ये आपण तो सेट करणार आहे. ओके, वेन दिस R2 इज द दॅट मीन्स नॉन इन्व्हर्टिंग टर्मिनल इनपुट इज द निगेटिव्ह. तेव्हा जेव्हा ते निगेटिव्ह असेल तेव्हा काय होणार आहे तर व्होल्टेज ॲट द नॉन इन्व्हर्टिंग इनपुट ऑफ द इंटिग्रेटर इज निगेटिव्ह. द ड्युटी सायकल इज लेस दॅन द 50%. त्या ड्युटी सायकल आपल्याला 50%नी कशी भेटणार आहे लेस, दॅट मीन्स द कमी. रिझल्टिंग लार्ज राईज टाईम दॅन द फॉल टाईम. लार्ज काय असणार आहे rise time then the large rise time then the fall time, as shown in this figure. Here shows the minus saturation plus saturation. Okay, so in the other hand, when the voltage at non inverting input of the integrator is positive, then the duty cycle is greater than the 50% and rise time is less than the fall time. Okay, and it is important to note that the frequency of the sawtooth waveform decreases when कधी decrease होणार आहे तर when the voltage at the non-inverting input of the integrator is adjusted towards the plus VCC or minus VCC, and in that is its vibes is adjusted exactly at center. आपण ॲडजस्ट कसा केला सेंटरला तो नॉब ॲडजस्ट केला. then the voltage at non-inverting input of the integrator is the 0. So gives to the sawtooth wave generator frequency is the very high. त्यावेळी आपल्या फ्रिक्वेन्सी कशी भेटणार आहे जास्त फ्रिक्वेन्सी भेटणार आहे. हाऊएवर द ॲम्प्लिट्यूड ऑफ द sawtooth wave is independent of the voltage setting at the non-inverting input of the integrator. Okay, this is the very simple article sawtooth waveform. I think this article is the all of you the got it, and हे खूप इम्पॉर्टंट आर्टिकल आहे. एक्झामला सुद्धा हे विचारू शकतात. IMP आर्टिकल आहे हे. So I think all of you the got it this article. Okay, I think this article is here completed, and I think stop here. Okay, thank you all of you.